Carrie, maker of Sassy Sauce Polish. I make handmade nail polish 5 free. Check it out at sassysaucepolish.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make leopard nails. So I started with a base coat that's gold, and normally I use a dotting tool, but I'm sure you don't have any, so you can use a ballpoint pen. You're just going to first dip it in the copper, or whichever color you choose. Make dots. And then dip it in the black. Surround the copper to make it look like leopard spots. It's that easy. Something fun to do with the whole fam, even on the boys. And then show everybody your masterpiece. See? Be kind to one another. Take care. We'll all get through this. I promise.